Welcome to Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain, where history, culture, and modernity intertwine to create a city like no other. In this comprehensive travel guide, we'll embark on a journey through 15 must-visit attractions and tourist spots that showcase the richness and diversity of Madrid's offerings. From majestic palaces to world-class museums, bustling markets to picturesque parks, Madrid promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So, let's dive into the heart of Spain and discover the magic of Madrid together. 1. Plaza Mayor. Our journey begins at Plaza Mayor, the beating heart of Madrid's historic center. This iconic square dates back to the 17th century and has been a focal point of city life ever since. Surrounded by elegant arcades and adorned with statues and fountains, Plaza Mayor is the perfect place to soak up the lively atmosphere of Madrid. Take a leisurely stroll, admire the stunning architecture, and perhaps indulge in a delicious meal at one of the many outdoor cafes lining the square. 2. Royal Palace of Madrid. No visit to Madrid would be complete without exploring the magnificent Royal Palace, the official residence of the Spanish monarchs. With over 3,000 rooms, the palace is one of the largest in Europe and is a stunning example of Spanish Baroque architecture. Step inside to marvel at the opulent interiors, adorned with priceless artworks, tapestries, and chandeliers. Don't miss the chance to wander through the beautifully landscaped gardens, which offer breathtaking views of the city skyline. 3. Prado Museum. Art lovers rejoice. The Prado Museum is home to one of the most impressive collections of European art in the world. From masterpieces by Spanish masters such as Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, to works by renowned artists like Rembrandt, Rubens, and Titian, the museum offers a comprehensive journey through the history of Western art. Spend hours wandering through the museum's halls, admiring the exquisite paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts that adorn its walls. 4. Retiro Park. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and retreat to the tranquil oasis of Retiro Park. This sprawling green space is Madrid's largest park and offers a welcome respite from the urban chaos. Stroll along leafy pathways, row a boat on the serene lake, or simply relax on a shady bench and watch the world go by. Don't miss the chance to visit the Crystal Palace, an iconic glass structure that hosts temporary art exhibitions and events throughout the year. 5. Puerta del Sol. Experience the vibrant energy of Madrid at Puerta del Sol, the city's most famous square and a hub of activity day and night. From its iconic clock tower to the bustling pedestrian streets, Puerta del Sol is the perfect place to soak up the lively atmosphere of Madrid. Be sure to visit the iconic statue of the bear and the strawberry tree, a symbol of the city, and perhaps indulge in some shopping or dining at one of the nearby boutiques or cafes. 6. Reina Sofia Museum. Dive into the world of modern and contemporary art at the Reina Sofia Museum, home to an impressive collection of works by Spanish and international artists. Highlights include Picasso's iconic masterpiece Guernica, as well as works by other renowned artists such as Salvador Dali, Joan Miro, and Juan Gris. Explore the museum's thought-provoking exhibitions, attend a lecture or workshop, and gain a deeper understanding of the evolution of art in the 20th and 21st centuries. 7. Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum. Discover a treasure trove of art at the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum, which boasts an extensive collection of European masterpieces spanning 7 centuries. From Renaissance classics to Impressionist landscapes, the museum offers a diverse array of artistic styles and movements. Marvel at works by artists such as Van Gogh, Monet, and Caravaggio, and gain insight into the evolution of Western art through the ages. 8. Gran Via. Experience the glitz and glamour of Madrid's main thoroughfare, Gran Via, known as the Spanish Broadway. Lined with theaters, shops, and restaurants, Gran Via is a bustling artery that pulsates with life day and night. Take a leisurely stroll along this iconic street, admire the stunning architecture, and perhaps catch a show at one of the many theaters that line its bustling sidewalks. 9. Temple of Debod. Transport yourself to ancient Egypt at the Temple of Debod, a fascinating archaeological site located in the heart of Madrid. Originally built in Egypt in the 2nd century BC, the temple was dismantled and relocated to Madrid in the 1960s as a gift from the Egyptian government. Today, the temple stands as a symbol of friendship between Spain and Egypt and is a popular spot for visitors seeking a glimpse into the ancient world. 10. Mercado de San Miguel. Indulge your senses at Mercado de San Miguel, a vibrant food market located in a beautifully restored iron and glass building near Plaza Mayor. Here you'll find a mouth-watering array of Spanish delicacies, from fresh seafood and charcuterie to tapas, paella, and more. Sample local specialties, sip on fine wines, and soak up the lively atmosphere as you mingle with locals and fellow travelers alike. 11. El Retiro Palace. Let's step back in time at El Retiro Palace, a stunning neoclassical building located within Retiro Park. Originally built as a royal residence in the 17th century, the palace is now home to the Museum of the Army, which showcases a fascinating collection of military artifacts and exhibits. Explore the grand salons, royal chambers, and ceremonial halls, and gain insight into Spain's rich military history and traditions. 12. Plaza de Cibeles. Marvel at the majestic beauty of Plaza de Cibeles, one of Madrid's most iconic landmarks. Centered around the stunning Cibeles fountain, which depicts the Greek goddess Cybele and her chariot, the square is a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike. Admire the elegant architecture of the surrounding buildings, including the historic Palacio de Cibeles, which now houses Madrid's City Hall. 13. San Miguel Market. Immerse yourself in the flavors of Spain at San Miguel Market, a culinary paradise located in the heart of Madrid's historic center. Housed in a beautiful iron and glass structure dating back to the early 20th century, the market is a feast for the senses, with stalls offering everything from fresh seafood and Iberian ham to gourmet cheeses, pastries, and wines. Sample your way through the market, savoring traditional tapas and regional specialties as you mingle with locals and fellow foodies. 14. Royal Botanical Garden. Escape the urban hustle and bustle and discover a serene oasis of greenery at the Royal Botanical Garden of Madrid. Nestled along the banks of the Manzanares River, this lush botanical paradise is home to over 5,000 species of plants from around the world. Wander through manicured gardens, tranquil ponds, and shady groves, and admire exotic flora and fauna at every turn. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply seeking a moment of peace and tranquility, the Royal Botanical Garden offers a delightful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. 15. Sorolla Museum. Step into the world of renowned Spanish artist Joaquin Sorolla at the Sorolla Museum, located in the artist's former home and studio. Dedicated to preserving Sorolla's legacy, the museum showcases a stunning collection of his paintings, sketches, and personal belongings. Marvel at Sorolla's luminous landscapes, vibrant seascapes, and intimate portraits, and gain insight into the artist's life and creative process. Don't miss the chance to explore the tranquil garden, which served as a constant source of inspiration for Sorolla throughout his career. As we conclude our journey through Madrid, we've explored 15 captivating attractions and experiences that showcase the city's rich history, culture, and character. From majestic palaces to world-class museums, bustling markets to picturesque parks, Madrid offers a wealth of treasures waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history buff, an art aficionado, a foodie, or simply a curious traveler, Madrid promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted and inspired. So pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and immerse yourself in the magic of Spain's vibrant capital city.